Ever wondered how to turn your LinkedIn connections into a goldmine of potential clients? Hi, I'm James Billings, your go-to guy for all things LinkedIn lead generation. Welcome back to my channel, where I share my expertise in creating engaging content and using different technologies to increase brand visibility. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I promise you, it's worth it. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: LinkedIn lead generation for startups and entrepreneurs. Now, I know what you're thinking, James, I'm just starting out. I don't have a huge network or a big budget. Don't worry, I've got you covered. LinkedIn is a powerful tool, and when used correctly, it can be a game changer for startups and entrepreneurs. It's not just about making connections. It's about making the right connections. It's about finding those high-quality leads that are going to convert into clients. I'll be sharing tips and strategies that I've learned from years of experience in the field, from creating compelling content that grabs attention to using LinkedIn's advanced search features to find your ideal clients. I'll guide you through the process step by step. But remember, LinkedIn lead generation is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one business may not work for another. That's why it's important to experiment, analyze, and adjust your strategy as needed. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to leave your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help, so don't hesitate to reach out if you want to learn more about LinkedIn lead generation. And that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your network. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on LinkedIn lead generation. Remember, the key to success on LinkedIn is consistency and quality, so keep connecting, keep engaging, and keep generating those high-quality leads. I'm James Billings, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy networking.